Are your garage door rollers old and very loud? Here we have a typical garage door rollers that is in a very bad condition. Rusty and loud. The roller is very old and can't do its job properly in order to open and close the garage door. Here is another kind of rollers as known as the 10 ball bearing rollers. Didn't last much, loud and low performance record. It's made with nylon, which is high quality for the rollers, but the bearings are very low quality. Here we have the best garage door rollers for 2023. Z-bearing rollers. Rated for 100,000 plus cycles. It is cost effective and game changer for residential and commercial garage doors.